Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're out here at Tallulah Gorge State Park. That's right, we're gonna get a couple extra miles in on the South Rim Loop Trail. Also crossing that bridge, I don't know if you can see it down in that direction somewhere. Either way, it's a beautiful place to check out. If you've never been here before, I definitely recommend it. With that being said, let's keep moving. All right, so we actually took the, I guess it would be the counterclockwise direction towards the bridge. You cross along the dam, you can see those overlooks and so forth. If you haven't been here before, basically at the interpretive center, once you get on the main path, you take a right instead of going to the left. The left will take you down all the stairs. Now, in case you didn't know this place has a gorge floor that requires a permit. Only 100 permits are issued per day. So if you're interested in getting to the sliding rock, there's a video, I'll put it up above in terms of a link. Make sure you check that out if you're coming to Tallulah Gorge. All right, so in a few minutes we'll be over there, checking out this direction. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro. Beautiful day here at Tallulah Gorge. Let's keep moving. Alright, so instead of heading on to the other overlooks here, we're going to head down this strenuous trail. To walk the suspension bridge will require 680 steps. Go down to Hurricane Falls, 1122. Oh man! The land of the stairs. Alright, so that's that. We just did the South Rim Loop here at Tallulah Gorge. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.